we are going to talk about the states of matter. And as a little review, I want you guys to turn to your elbow buddies and discuss what is matter and how would you describe matter.
Yeah.
What's the and it's got three states, solid, liquids, and gases. I thought we were that for second grade. Oh wow, we're in second grade. I may not remember that.
Something like that.
You know what? I'm gonna ask.
I will.
All right, can somebody tell me what matter is by raising your hand? Anyone?
It's
All right,
stuff.
Good thing we're
Stuff.
reviewing that.
It's stuff.
All right, so matter is anything that has a volume and mass. So anything that takes up space. Don't overthink it. Okay, and then how would you guys describe matter?
Solids, liquids, and gases.
We'll be learning about that today.
Stuff.
All right. So the other day we learned about its properties, so how you literally describe it. So solid, liquids, and gas, or how it even looks by its color, its taste, how it feels, its volume, mass, colors, stuff like that. So what matter do you guys see in this picture? We have trees, water,
Canoe. The life vest.
the life vest.
Yes.
Those kids are way too easy. That's what's the matter.
So is the person a matter? Is the person part of matter? Yes. So how are these different pieces of matter alike and how are they different? So say the paddles in the canoe, how are they alike?
They're both solid.
They're both solid.
They're hard.
So how is water in the canoe different? One's a liquid and one's a solid. So we're going to get into the specific differences of solids and liquids. So like we said, there's three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And each of these states of matter have different properties or different ways of defining them. So a solid is matter that takes up a definite amount of space and a definite shape. The particles of solids are packed closely together and do not have a lot of room to move around. So if we all take our hands and put them close together, that's how you know, that's how you can remember it's a solid. Don't move that much. The particles stay in place and it keeps its shape. So by doing this, you can remember that the energy level of solids are low. They don't really move around. So for liquids, it's matter that has a definite volume, but not a definite shape. So if you think of water and pouring it into a different container, the water takes the shape of its new container. So it doesn't really affect its volume, just its shape. So for a liquid, the particles slide past one another. So if you think of them, think of your hands not really close together, but kind of like moving past each other. This way you can like change shapes. So this way, energy level is a medium energy level. And for gases, it has no definite shape or volume. So if you think of blowing up a balloon, the oxygen that you're putting into the balloon is taking up all that space in there, so there's no shape or volume to it. And the gas takes up the whole container, and the particles move freely. So if you take your hands again, kind of move them around in the air. And you can't always see a gas, and the energy level is very high. There's no, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go through some examples. So an apple, is that a solid, liquid, or a gas? Solid. Is milk a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Is ice a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Solid.
honey a solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
It's a liquid. How about oxygen?
Gas.
Wood?
Solid.
Smoke?
Gas.
A smoothie?
Liquid.
And water vapor?